Hello students, welcome to the class. In this class, I will tell you how to answer the question number 25 of your question paper, second PUC. This question is concerned with the reading skill. In your workbook, we have some 20 poems to some extent easy. And out of those poems, you will be given a stanza of 4 to 5 sentences, 4 to 5 lines, and after that you will be given 3 questions to answer. Okay. And you have to read thoroughly the poem, you have to understand the poem properly. Then you should try to answer the questions that follow the poem. And this question number 25 carries 3 marks. 3 questions will be given. Each question carries 1 mark each. Here I have written down 2 examples from 2 question papers. The first poem is like this. It is a stanza of 4 lines they have been given. 7 years I could not walk a step. When I to a great physician came, he demanded why crutches, and I told him I am lame. See, this is a very small stanza of just 4 lines, and you have to read thoroughly, and you should understand the poem correctly. Then only you can be able to answer the questions. The first question about this stanza is, how many years could the poet not walk? In the very first line itself, you get the answer. 7 years I could not walk a step. Just you write 7 years, or you can also write it in a sentence like the poet could not walk for 7 years, likewise. Okay. And now let's come to the second question. What did the physician demand of the poet? This is the second question asked about this poet. What did the physician demand of the poet? What did he ask the poet? The question. In third line, we can get the answer. He demanded, here he stands for the great physician. Okay. He asks why crutches. Okay. So why crutches is the answer for question number 2. Or you can also write in a sentence like the physician demanded why crutches. Then the third question, why did the poet use the crutches? Here, once again, you can find the answer for the question in the 4th line. And I told him, here I stands for the poet. The poet is answering the question asked by the great physician. He says, I am lame. Lame. For lameness, he was using crutches. So you write that the poet was using crutches because he was lame. Okay. In this way, you have to answer the question which are asked on the poem. This is one example. And now let us move on to another example. Here the poem reads like this. I shall be telling this with a sigh. Somewhere ages and ages hence, 2 roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one less travelled by, and that has made all the difference. One more stanza of 5 lines, and regarding this, we have once again 3 questions. Where did the 2 roads diverge? Where did the 2 roads diverge? We find answer in the 3rd line. 2 roads diverged in a wood. See the answer. You can answer in a sentence, or you can also answer in just two words like in a wood. Second question, which road did he take finally? Which road did he take finally? Fourth line gives us answer. I took the one less traveled by. Okay, and you should not write like this only. You have to answer appropriately. Okay, to the point you have to answer. So for the question, which road did he take finally? And to that question, you can answer the one less traveled by. Or you can also write the poet took the one less traveled by. Okay. Last question. How does he tell his experience? How does he tell the experience? First, go to the first line. There, the poet is saying, I shall be telling this with a sigh, with much distress, with much pain he is telling. So, the answer for this question is with a sigh. Or you can also write it in a sentence like, the poet is telling his experience with a sigh. Okay, in this way, you can answer the three questions asked on the given small poem, or a stanza of maybe 4 or 5 lines, or up to 6 lines. Okay, very easy to answer, very easy to score full marks. ನಿಮ್ಮ ದ್ವಿತೀಯ PUC ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 25 ಗ್ರಾಮರ್ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಪದ್ಯ ಭಾಗ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಒಂದು ಪದ್ಯದ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾನ್ಸ, ಒಂದು ಪ್ಯಾರಾಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಆ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 4, 5 ಅಥವಾ 6 ಸಾಲುಗಳಿರಬಹುದಾಗಿದೆ. ಆ ಒಂದು ಪದ್ಯದ ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮಗೆ 3 ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಕೇಳಲಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಆ 3 ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಉತ್ತರ ಅದೇ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾನ್ಸಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಬೇರೆ ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಹುಡುಕಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಆ ಪದ್ಯ ಭಾಗ ನಿಧಾನವಾಗಿ ಓದಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳಿಗೆ ನೀವು ಉತ್ತರ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ 3 ಅಂಕಗಳು ನಿಮಗೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತದೆ. ತುಂಬಾ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ, ತುಂಬಾ ಸುಲಭವಾಗಿ. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ 1 ಅಂಕ ಹೊಂದಿರುತ್ತದೆ. ನೀವು ಆ 3 ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗೆ ಸರಿಯಾದ ಉತ್ತರ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ 3 ಅಂಕಗಳು ಬರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯತೆಗಳು ಉಂಟು. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಒಂದು 2 ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಹಳೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ನ ಒಂದು 2 ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋದ್ವಿ. ಯಾವ್ದು ಈ ಒಂದು ಪದ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು 4 ಲೈನ್ ಹೊಂದಿದೆ. ಈ ಒಂದು ಪದ್ಯದ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆ 4 ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ 4 ಲೈನ್ ಆ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟ 3 ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಂದಿನ ಒಂದು ಉದಾಹರಣೆಯಲ್ಲಿ 5 ಲೈನ್ ಇದಾವೆ, 5 ಸಾಲುಗಳಿದೆ. ಆ 5 ಸಾಲುಗಳ ಆ ಪದ್ಯದ ಭಾಗದ ಮೇಲೆ 3 ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳು. ಆ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ತರ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದನ್ನು ಈಗ ಹೇಳಿದೀನಿ. ತುಂಬಾ ಈಸಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಯಾವ್ದಿದ್ರು ಸಹ ನೀವು ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಲ್ಲೇ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಗಮನವಿಟ್ಟು ಆ ಪದ್ಯವನ್ನು ಓದಿ ಆ 3 ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗೆ ಸರಿಯಾದ ಉತ್ತರ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ 3 ಅಂಕಗಳು ನೀವು ಬರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ದಿವಸ ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಈಸಿ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ 25. ಈಗ ಇದೇ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂತೆ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಉದಾಹರಣೆ ನೋಡಂತೆ. ಆ ಒಂದು ಉದಾಹರಣೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪದ್ಯ ಯಾವ್ದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಯಾವ್ದು ಉತ್ತರ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. One more poem we have here. Child, how happy you are sitting in the dust, playing with a broken twig all the morning. I smile, you play with that little bit of broken twig. I am busy with my accounts, adding up figures by the hour. This is one more poem we have taken here as example to solve the question number 25. And to this poetry section we have 3 questions. First one is, where is the child sitting? The very first line itself gives us the answer. How happy you are sitting in the dust. Okay. You have to answer, the child is sitting in the dust. Or just you can write in the dust. Okay. As you wish. You can write in a sentence if you like, or you can write in just 2 or 3 words. Where is the child sitting? The child is sitting in the dust. Second question. The child is playing with the dash. See, here you have to fill up the blank. Sometimes you will be given a multiple choice question and you have to put right mark there. And here we have asked to fill the blank. The child is playing with dash. What you write there? Little bit of broken twig. Okay. The child is playing with the broken twig. You can write a broken twig. Last question, third question. What is the speaker doing? Last sentence gives us the answer. I am busy with my accounts, adding up figures by the hour. Okay. The speaker was busy with. It should start like this. The speaker was busy with his accounts, adding up figures by the hour. And just you can write the speaker is busy with his accounts. That is also the right one. Okay, and in this way you should try to answer the questions given to you. The number of questions will be 3 and the answers you can find it in the poetry section itself, and you have to write precisely to the point you have to answer. Okay, you should not use unnecessary words. Okay. My suggestion is that try to answer in sentence and that will be a good impression on the evaluator. Okay. And this is about question number 25, grammar section. How you should answer the question number 25, which carries 3 marks. Very easy to score, I think, in my opinion. Very easy to score the 3 marks. Okay, and here we shall conclude the class. Thank you.